Hey folks, this is Mark. I'm going to show you how to activate and test a TPMS sensor using one of these scan tools. I have 4 new tires on this car with new sensors, and I put them on and went through the pressure differential setup to go through the learn procedure, but it didn't work. So I figured I had a bad sensor in one of the 4 that I had received, even though they're brand new. So I purchased this tool, EL50488. Comes from China. It cost me $18 in about 3 weeks to get it. They sell them in any number of stores, usually for 3 or 4 times as much. But I wanted to give this a try since it was low cost to see if I could identify which one of the sensors was bad. So I'll show you what I did in the process to do that, and I'm going to, well, before I go through that trouble, I'm going to show you how to activate these sensors when they come in. So I know I had a bad sensor, so I got another one, and it's called an ITM pre-programmed sensor, which is programmed for the Infiniti 315 megahertz, which coincidentally this tool, which is really advertises for setting the GM products TPMS sensor line, actually works for the Infiniti and probably any of the Nissans. But in order to get these things to activate and for the scanner tool to actually scan it, you need to activate it, and it only activates under pressure. So what I have is a garden sprayer that I've adapted, put a Schrader valve in it so I can pressurize this thing. I'm just going to put this down in here, put the camera down. I'm going to go ahead and pressurize that. Probably only need about maybe 20 pounds or so. Don't need a lot of pressure in it. Actually, the sensors are only rated for a maximum of 60. And this thing would probably blow up if I put 60 pounds in it. So anyway, it's pressurized now. It should be activated. I'll put it next to this tire here, because I'm going to go ahead and activate my learn procedure in the car. And the way you do that is there's a little white plug, and anybody who's messed with these TPMS, at least on the Infinitis and Nissans, knows there's a little white plug under the dash. You put a pin in it inside the plug, and then you turn your ignition on and ground that plug by tapping it 5 times to ground, or 6 times depending on the vehicle. Mine seems to work with 5. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in learn mode. Turn on my ignition. Okay, so my TPMS light is flashing now, so it's in the learn mode. So I'm going to go ahead and put the scan tool next to each Schrader valve, press the button, and if it accepts the code from the sensor, you get a flashing light. So that one flashed on the left front. Now I'm going to do the right front, and it accepts that one. That's the one I just activated. Go to the right rear. Okay, accepted that one. And left rear, it accepted that one. So right now, I'll show you what my TPMS light is doing, which is just a steady on state. Well, it was a steady on state. It actually went off. So it has accepted the learn procedure. That's it.